Alright, here we got a series of two rockets we're gonna test out. They both have 2.5 grams of rocket fuel. That's the melted 6535 plus 5% RIO and 5% sulfur. They both have the same core size, which is about 1/4 inch. And they're both the same, except that the one on the right has got a header on it for an aerial shell, and it weighs about 8 grams more than the one on the left. The one on the left weighs 10, the one on the right weighs 18 grams, and the payload is not a firework. It's actually just a peanut, which weighed brought the weight up to 8 grams to simulate the fireworks load. So we're gonna compare them and see what the altitude difference is, see how they fly, and go from there. Hold on. Alright, we're set up and ready to go. I'm just launching them out of a little tube stuck in the ground. It's about straight up. And we'll start with the rocket without the header. Good flight. Hang tight. Alright, well, the bottle rocket flew about 200 feet altitude and landed about 250 feet upwind. So I'm going to adjust the angle of the tube a little bit for the second shot so that it is recoverable. This one kind of went off in the woods. So let's give it a try with almost double the weight. Let's go find it. Alright, well that one flew quite well, as also. The wind changed direction, and in addition to my angle change, it flew in the opposite direction by about 150 feet. Very hard to predict where these things are going to go. Anyway, here it is. I found it in my neighbor's yard. That's the heading where I had the peanut, and it's lost. This has a crack in it now. I'm not sure why exactly, but the front end of the motor is intact. That was just a couple sheets of cardboard on top of the propellant, and then some 5-minute epoxy to seal it into place. Sorry, I think that's out of focus. Anyway, flew well. It still went up about 120 feet, something like that. So the weight didn't really hinder its performance all that much, surprisingly. And both these, I failed to mention, have a 1/8 inch diameter nozzle. I'm sure we could get even higher with the same amount of propellant and a 7/64 nozzle. But we'll leave that for a later show. Thank you.